Welcome to... Sorry, that was kind of funny. Welcome to the Spicy Kidz Club series, where we really just created its own series by itself without any context.
The next episode actually you're gonna watch is our video on Yupdduck, which is Korean spicy tteokbokki.
Extra mild, which is probably not that spicy at all. And then, oh, this is the one. This is the challenge. So we'll open this up later. So let's try the extra mild. Let's go.
Oh shit, that actually looks pretty good.
Oh. But I just can't take up the jacket.
Anticipating the heat. Alright, explain to us.
So they have cheese, which is string cheese, is mozzarella one. They usually have sausages in there. So good. Have fish cake as well. Milk. This is a great top. I mean, I love this place. This is like, they do it so well. You wanna try it?
So we got, what do we get? Extra mild.
Yeah, this is the extra mild one.
It's very pleasant. It's nice to eat. It's not as spicy actually.
I mean, it's extra mild, not even mild. Done with the normal one. Let's not eat.
I'm hungry. We're not here to enjoy ourselves. We all know that. We all know that we're here to bond over very spicy food and die together. And when we mean
not die together, please.
Okay, when we mean blood, sweat, and tears.
Sorry. The temperature is hotter too. Any day now.
Don't go like spilling any of this on the car. I think it'll last like a week.
There we go.
Look at that thing. Look at the color.
Okay, talk first. Talk always first.
It doesn't seem very hot.
For now. That's so good. I think it's a slow burn. It's okay now, eating more. Oh my god, I don't want to regret it so much later.
Doesn't seem that hot.
For now.
Not the reaction I was expecting. Anti-climate.
Spicier then.
It's hot. I don't know. It's oh, actually.
Chill first, bro.
Oh, okay.
It's good, eh?
I think I could eat this actually.
Yeah. Challenge?
Yeah. I don't know. It's still somewhat pleasant, not gonna lie. Yeah, this is what we call advanced technique. So like spice this whole afternoon.
The cheese is so good.
So actually, we're actually gonna have lunch with another friend after this, and we're just gonna leave this in the car. He's gonna say, "What's your air freshener?" Oh, you know, just top, spicy top.
Not too bad actually.
Yeah, it's not too. I mean, it's hot. It's not too bad.
It's hot, but
it's bearable. Okay, maybe yeah, you're right. Maybe I'm Asian, but I would say this is still tolerable. Like compared to some spicy places that we've had. There's somewhere you just gotta like rush through it.
yeah.
But this one I can enjoy it. So, having said that, this is not by any means. This is not spicy. It's still pretty damn spicy. But
It's spicy. It's definitely spicier. But
it's close to the. It's
like I want to get it out of me like right away.
Yeah. It's spicy, but like I dig it.
The fact that we're going back for more is like that says a lot, no?
Yeah, I mean like remember when we had Howlin' Rays last week?
Yeah.
Like I had to rush through that Howlin'. I mean, it's hot, but enjoyable. Spiciness, bearable, but nice, but still hot.
Hot though. It's up to you, but
it's not unbearable. Alright, so that pretty much wraps up tteokbokki for this week.
Ooh, should we do a tteokbokki 5? Yeah, one real quick. Cheers. Stop that. No more.
I enjoy it.
Not spicy. Closes it right away.
I'm a globetrotter. You and I, 비교나 하지마 우리 너무 저잖아 집이나 세차 나가신다 너